Hello, this is Jack Jackson. In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to get into MyLabs from Pearson. That's their software that we use for my statistics class, and sometimes some other classes as well. So let's take a look at that real fast. www.pearson.com/mylab is the place you want to go. Should take you to a thing like this. The first thing you're going to do, if you haven't done it before, is to go into register. If you've already registered, then you can just go into sign in. So let's start with register for student and then go to here. And then in this box, you'll type in the code that I gave you. For my class, it'll say Jackson and then some numbers. I'm going to go ahead and do that like a student. And of course, hit continue. Okay, so here you sign in with the Pearson account if you already have one, or you can create one. So it should say the course. So for example, the semester I'm recording this, Probability and Statistics 1, Jackson Fall 2021, and so forth. Okay, so you'll go in here, obviously fill in the stuff here. I'm going to go ahead and set this up as if I were a student. I'm not going to show you all the stuff I'm going to type in, but we just basically fill in the stuff here. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to come to this page here. If you already have your access code, you can go ahead and click on that. Okay. You can do this one here that gives you up to 2 years of student access for multi-term courses, which is here, or 18 weeks. So for most of you, either we don't probably are going to need the 24 months, so you're going to need the 18 weeks. So you can click on that one right there and pay for it right there online, or you can click on it here and enter your access code. Now, if you don't have either one of those, okay, and let's say you have already bought your code, but you haven't picked it up at the bookstore yet, okay, you can go ahead and click on this down here. It says get temporary access without payment for 14 days. Okay, and then of course you're going to have to buy the code eventually and do that. But because of this temporary access, there's no reason why everyone can't get on this, day one of the semester. So I'm going to click on that. Or if you want the temporary access, I'm going to say yes. And it will take just a second here to do that. And then I can click go to my courses. And then here. Now, notice that it says temporary access expires in 14 days. I can click on this upgrade access, and right there it will allow me to put in my code once I buy that. Okay. But otherwise, I can just click up here, and it will take me into the site. And this is what the site looks like. Yeah. So here's the basic thing. Here's a calendar. There may be some announcements there. You're not going to see a lot here because I allow extra time for getting assignments done. So when you go back here, there's an assignment that's actually due here, but that doesn't mean you wait till there to work on it. You start working on it day one. If you go to assignments here, it will give you a list of all assignments. And these are all the assignments for the entire semester. We have five homework sets, 5 practice tests, and 5 exams. And that's the entire graded thing for this particular class. You can see your grades here. You can go to the textbook here, whatever textbook we're using this semester, and you go to the e-text. You can go directly to different chapters here, so there's no need to buy the physical textbook. You can go to video resource library here. If you just select all and say find, it shows you all the different things that they have available. Some videos on how to use Excel or Minitab. There's some little stat talk videos, technology tutorial videos. There's some R and SPSS. These are all different softwares that can be used with statistics. And then you go down here with the different chapters. There are just some different animations and applets and things in certain sections of the textbook, and it will take you directly to any of those that you'd like. And there's some Stack Crunch software that comes with the textbook there, and so forth. So you have a basic thing. So most of the time, you're just going to be able to go either to this home page here or to assignments, and then click on an assignment. Say homework set 1, for example, has 56 questions. This will last us a couple of weeks. And for example, you can go to question number 1, pulls this up in another menu. And number 1, I think, should say something about reading the syllabus and making sure that you understand the course policies and procedures, I think. This is a little slow pulling up right at the moment, but when this pulls up, then of course, then you can answer that question, and you can work this out. Okay. So about how many hours a week should you be spending, and just get this on the syllabus. Okay, so there's a quick introduction to getting on. It's pretty simple. So hopefully everybody can get on there and get going right away. Hope we enjoy the semester. Bye bye.